I'm Lana Roberts, Regional Affairs Director. At PPL Electric Utilities, safety is a top priority, not only for our employees, but for the communities we serve. We think it's vitally important for children to understand the concepts of electrical safety, and we're bringing the National Theater for Children into schools to teach them those concepts in a fun, relatable way. Not only that, but the students are given information to bring home to their families so that we can share those concepts of electrical safety with people all over our communities.
And remember, always be safe around electrical outlets.
Hi, my name is Ben.
And I'm Catherine.
We're with the National Theater for Children, and our mission goal is to teach, entertain, and inspire. We do this by presenting theater to young audiences in elementary and middle school shows.
And we'd like to thank PPL for bringing us to these wonderful schools in northeastern and central Pennsylvania.